Dear students, I hope the previous lecture is clear to you regarding the chemical changes. You have seen about the color changes, how they are taking place, how the copper sulfate is converted into iron sulfate, that reaction, what happens when magnesium ribbon burns. These are all the chemical changes you have studied in previous lecture. Now, in today's topic, we are going to discuss about the rusting of iron. Rusting. What is rusting? Rusting, jung lagna. You might have seen at your home so many substances kept over for a long time and they get rusted, जिसमें जंग लग जाता है. लोहे की चीज़ें अगर बहुत दिन तक पानी में हवा में अगर पड़ी रहती है तो they get rusted और जंग लग जाता है उसमें. Clear? So what happens over there? The reaction takes place. It is also a type of chemical change. Rusting is one that affects the iron articles slowly and destroys them. Since iron is used in making so many substances like ships, cars, trucks, and many other articles are made from the iron. Now, those all articles are affected by rust. What happens? This iron reacts with oxygen from air and water with present in the form of moisture in air. This get converted into iron oxide. आयरन ऑक्साइड में ये कन्वर्ट होता है. एंड फॉर रस्टिंग द टू कंडीशंस आर एसेंशियल, द प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन एंड वाटर, और द वाटर वेपर इज essential. Clear? The content of moisture is, if the content of moisture is high, the rusting get faster, and if the moisture is less, the rusting get slower. Clear? Now, to prevent this rusting, we used importantly two processes, that is galvanization. Galvanization is the process in which we deposit a layer of zinc on iron objects. The process of depositing a layer of zinc on iron is called as the galvanization. The iron pipes we use in our homes and in so many places, they are galvanized to prevent the rusting. Clear? सो दिस गैल्वनाइजेशन प्रोसेस से हम क्या कर सकते हैं, रस्टिंग को बचा सकते हैं, रस्टिंग से बचा सकते हैं हमारे आयरन ऑब्जेक्ट्स को. सेकेंड और एक चीज़ हम क्या कर सकते हैं, पेंटिंग कर सकते हैं. यू माइट हैव सीन योर गेट्स, आपके घर के जो गेट्स होते हैं, बड़े बड़े आयरन गेट्स जो होते हैं, दे आर ऑलवेज पेंटेड. पेंट किया जाता है उसमें. क्यों पेंट किया जाता है? सो दैट दिस पेंट प्रिवेंट्स द आयरन फ्रॉम रस्टिंग. इट प्रिवेंट्स द एंट्री ऑफ ऑक्सीजन एंड वाटर to come in contact with that iron so that it will not get rusted. Clear? So these are the two processes by which we can prevent the rusting, galvanization and painting. Clear? Now here the rusting is shown over here. So see, this iron nails get rusted. Rusting is the process in which iron turns into iron oxide. It happens when iron comes in contact with water and oxygen. This process is a type of corrosion, or this is a chemical change. Clear? Now this is a chemical change, or the chemical name of rust is iron oxide and hematite. The substance is also known as the is known by its chemical formula, that is Fe2O3, which represents the two elements, that is iron and oxygen, that forms the rust. See, these are some ways to prevent the rusting. To spray paint on the iron, पेंट करेंगे तो रस्टिंग नहीं होगा. If you put oil, it will not get rusted. If you put some melted wax, it will not get rusted. If you galvanize or you put the layer of zinc, it will not get rusted. Galvanizing is a sheet of iron or steel and that has a protective layer of zinc. The galvanizing is another way of preventing iron from rusting. There are other metals also which get rusted, like copper, steel, bronze, and so many other metals like nickel are also getting rusted because of the